Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your mobile app with Apple step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have a clear understanding of Apple's guidelines for app security. Familiarize yourself with the App Store review guidelines, particularly the sections related to data protection. Implement secure coding practices throughout your development process. Use the latest version of Xcode in Swift to ensure you benefit from the most recent security enhancements. Incorporate App Transport Security, or ATS, to enforce secure connections between your app and web services. Always use HTTPS instead of HTTP for data transmission. Enable data encryption by integrating the Common Crypto API. Make use of keychain services to securely store sensitive information like tokens and passwords. Adopt advanced authentication methods such as Face ID or Touch ID for user verification. Regularly test your app for vulnerabilities using tools like Xcode's Address Sanitizer and Thread Sanitizer. Conduct thorough privacy audits of your app, ensuring compliance with Apple's data usage policies. Include a robust privacy policy within your app that clearly outlines how user data will be handled. Utilize local authentication framework to add biometric authentication features. Make sure to handle user permissions accurately, only requesting access to necessary data. Regularly update your app to patch any security vulnerabilities. Monitor user reports and feedback to promptly address any potential security issues. Implement logging mechanisms to track suspicious activities without compromising user privacy. Finally, prepare for unexpected scenarios by developing an incident response plan for potential security breaches. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.